We do what they wear outside that you see, their uniforms and stuff. We clean those, press those, dry cleaning, and their physical fitness gear and stuff like that. But we usually average 3,000 shirts a week. Trousers, half of that. And they'll have 4 shirts, 4 pants, 3 pair of ducks. They'll have 2 pair of the wool pants, 3 black shirts, a blouse, a coatee, a duty jacket. So it's 16,000 pieces plus laundry bags, so there's another 1,500 laundry bags. Well, it's mostly important so the cadets don't have to concentrate on, hey, I gotta go wash clothes. They can use their 5 minutes of spare time to study, so it's a very important part. Them looking good and presentable is a reflection on all of us, and I take pride in making sure that they look presentable. Plus, I take pride in making sure that the employees that are working under me have what they need and working in a safe environment, and try to make it as enjoyable as possible for them to be at work.